Hello and welcome to this pinescript tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you get from this to this. Here you see these titles. Something very simple. Now I have this strategy here that I made. It's very profitable and it has also this performance table, but that's something I will show you in another video. In this video I'm just going to show you how you make these titles to order your settings and make everything more clean. Now this strategy, including full source code, is part of our RoboQuant Academy, so everyone who joins gets this strategy, full source code, including this. So if you want this, or you just don't want to learn how to code, you just want to access this, or even better, you want to learn building stuff like this yourself without learning how to code, then join now, link is down in the description. For the other ones that want to learn something, let's do it. I'm just going to go to this strategy here. It's basically the same, but when I go to the settings, you see that it's not as clean. So how do we do it? We just go here. All right, now we're in the Pine editor and we see here these input parameters. As you might know, this one is a comment. It is not considered code. Now we want to basically group these settings. Before we even group them, we need to know what kind of groups we want. So I decided to take these three settings. I'm going to split all these inputs into these three groups. Now, maybe they're in a different order, and that's the whole point of having groups, because maybe you're going to add other settings later and you don't want to change the order. You can just group them. This one here, wick threshold, I'm going to use this as candle settings. So I just type comma, group equals, now we're just gonna copy this text because we need to format it as a text. Group equals this text. It always has to be in hyphens. Let's see if it compiles, and it does compile. Now when we go back to the settings, we see here candle settings, but we only have one setting. Now I just take this, I copy it including the comma, I go here, is this candle setting? No. Is this candle setting? No. No. Here, this one, just paste it, save it. Now you see we have these here, the order has changed. Now we want to group these. Trading session, so this is for me strategy input, so I'm gonna just paste this and change it to strategy settings. Now I take this, once again I copy the text, including the comma, contract is risk, limit order distance is strategy, command V, cancel after, save it. Now you see we have now two different groups. Now we need the last one. So we go here to whatever is left, command V, and this is risk. So we copy this, including the comma, paste it here, and paste it here. Save it. And now you see we have three different titles here, means three different types of settings. This makes everything much more clean. Now in the next video I'm going to show you how to add these tooltips here, where every setting is explained. And maybe in a later video I'm going to explain you how to make such a performance table, including the backtester that shows the performance of the strategy. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.